We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay iCloud error. First thing you need to do is check that you are signed in to iCloud with your Apple ID and that your account is fully verified because Apple Pay relies on iCloud to sync cards and authenticate transactions. Next, open the Settings app and make sure iCloud Drive is enabled and there are no pending prompts or issues with your Apple ID. Then, confirm your device is updated to the latest iOS version and has a stable internet connection. After that, restart your iPhone and try opening the wallet app again to see if the error clears. Also ensure that Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if the iCloud error still occurs, sign out of iCloud and sign back in carefully. Then reach out to Apple support for further assistance if needed. So that's it.